how to build your portfolio in 3 minutes for free. No code, no hassle. Hey everyone, want to build a professional portfolio in just 3 minutes for free? Whether you're a freelancer, designer, writer, or job seeker, having a solid portfolio is a game changer. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create one from scratch using a free Notion template. No coding, no hassle, just results. Let's go. What should you include in your portfolio? About me, a short introduction about who you are and what you do. Projects, work samples. Show 3 to 5 of your best works with descriptions. Skills and tools. Highlight what you're good at. Testimonials, if any. Social proof adds credibility. Contact info. Make it easy for people to reach you. Less is more. Keep it clean, clear, and straight to the point. Step by step, how to build your portfolio in Notion. 1. Go to Notion. Open your browser and go to notion.so.notion.so. 2. Log in or create an account. If you already have a Notion account, log in. If not, sign up for free. It only takes a minute. 3. Search for a portfolio template. Click on the search bar and type portfolio template, or use this free template Notion-marketplace/marketplace templates, free freelancer portfolio, pre-3R Grace Digital's true. 4. Duplicate the template. Click on the duplicate button to add the template to your Notion workspace. 5. Customize your portfolio. Edit the About Me section. Keep it short and professional. Replace the project placeholders with your own work. Add images, links, and a short description. How to change the picture in your project. 1. Click on the image you want to change. 2. A small menu will appear. Click Replace or Delete if you want to start fresh. 3. Upload your own image by clicking Upload or select Embed Link to use an image from the web. 4. Adjust the size or position if needed. 6. Add tags for easy navigation. Go to your project section, click on the Tags column, and enter keywords like UX design, web development, or writing. This makes it easy to filter and organize your work. Make it live and share. Click Alt Share, Publish to Web. Copy your portfolio link, add it to your resume, LinkedIn, or email signature. And there you have it, your portfolio built in just 3 minutes, absolutely free. Let me know in the comments, what's your profession, and do you already have a portfolio? If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more quick tutorials. See you next time.